Soil is the foundation of life on Earth. Approximately 75% of calories consumed worldwide come from crops grown directly in soil, and another 20% come from foods that indirectly rely on soil, like animal products or honey. But soil doesn't just support life, it's full of life itself. There are more microorganisms in a teaspoon of soil than there are people on Earth. And those microbes work hard to keep soil healthy and productive. Soil organisms have an estimated value of $1.5 trillion per year worldwide. That value comes in the form of food, plant products like timber, and through supporting our ecosystems. Some soil practices can harm these organisms, though, and degrade the soil. Things like chemical applications, general pollution, tilling, and leaving the soil bare can all be bad for the soil's health. An unhealthy soil can lead to a huge amount of problems, like lower crop yields, nutrient loss, erosion, water sedimentation, and the decline of surrounding ecosystems. You can help protect the soil, though. Minimize disturbances, maximize soil cover, maximize biodiversity, and maximize continuous living root systems. These principles can be implemented through a lot of practices, such as no-tilling, mulching, the use of buffers where appropriate, and cover crops. Tilling can disturb the soil's biomass and harm the organisms that cycle nutrients to create that rich, dark, productive soil that we need. Choosing no-till and diverse cover crops, though, will enhance the soil's biomass and promote healthy organisms by providing living root systems and organic matter. Simple soil management techniques like these can result in soil that reduces erosion, requires less nutrient inputs, manages heavy rain and drought more effectively, retains and filters water, and increases your crop yields. If you want more resources on promoting soil health and conservation of soil, visit monroecoswcd.org.